If you know me like I know me, you know that I love attending trade shows. I think they are the lifeline of communication and bonds within our vast industry. And speaking of these shows, I'm here with Joni, the queen of Creston, as well as the Advanced Manufacturing Expo. First and foremost, you're looking great. How do you feel today?
Thank you. I feel fabulous, and it's nice to be out of the office.
It's great. You look super comfortable. You're ready to take on the world.
Ready to go.
And so speaking of taking on the world, I know that AME is wrapping up. I've lost count of the amount of years that I've been here, but I know every single year it's nothing short of incredible. And you're the boss of it, for lack of a better term. Credit given or not, we're giving. You're the boss of it.
I appreciate that, but I'm the full boss.
Yeah, no worries. Well, you're a boss in my eyes. And so knowing this, you're getting some of the behind the scenes things. What can we expect this year in Grand Rapids at the Advanced Manufacturing Expo?
Well, this year in Grand Rapids, you can expect the latest in technology across all manufacturing, whether it be abrasives or saw blades or cutting tools or the tools themselves and CNCs. This year we have the most CNC companies we've ever had before, and we have some really exciting things coming up that we have yet to unveil. So.
Oh man, well you know, secrets are no fun. So I did hear a rumor, and I know I don't have my red pants, but I think there's gonna be a special guest or two maybe at AME. How do we reveal that? I have no idea.
I'm pretty sure the rumor is true that Tony is gonna be there. Oh my God!
Rumors are true! MTDCNC will definitely be in there. I cannot wait to see you guys at the show. Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Grand Rapids, August 6th and 7th, or 2 days of lots of fun and new technology.
Oh my gosh, I have one question before we go because I'm very curious. Why do you get so excited about bringing in people like Eddie and myself to this show and connecting an audience with a whole lot of fun as well?
It's my favorite time of year to connect with people that love the things that I love. And I've never met such really great people in this industry. There's a lot of really fun, down-to-earth people, so it makes it a good time. So it's the best time to see all my friends in manufacturing. So.
Oh, I love that. All right, rumors are true. It's definitely happening. See you in Grand Rapids, Michigan. For now, I gotta go run.